Hello everyone, welcome to Sources Classes. So in this video again we have come up with a very interesting question pertaining to the quantitative aptitude section, and basically in this question we are basically dealing with a question pertaining to the range of high power numbers. Okay, so here this sort of questions are again part and parcel of the number system chapter, and this sort of questions are quite frequently asked in this examination, be it your GRE and particularly GMAT or any other MBA based entrances. This sort of questions are quite frequently asked. So we'll take a look at that and subsequently we'll try and solve the same so we can get a general idea with regards to the approach of the same as well. Okay. So having said that, let us just focus on the question here. So basically the question states, how many integers exist such that they are multiple of 2008 to the power 2008 as well as factor of 2008 to the power 2020. Okay, so basically our let our suppose no need to let take any n or something. So this is basically our range. Okay, the number of integer will basically satisfy or fall in this particular range. So they are a multiple of this. Okay, and multiple of this means either this will be greater or smaller than this and a factor of this. So suppose these are numbers be n, all these numbers, so n will lie in this particular range. Okay, n will lie because n is a multiple of 2008 and a factor of n is a multiple of 2008 to the power 2008 and a factor of 2008 to the power 2020. Okay, so basically this will be our limit in this regards. Okay, so this will be our limit. Now what we can do, we can actually know, let me just give you a similar sort of concepts. So therefore what can we say? Okay, so let me give you an example. Suppose I have a number say 8 and I have a number say 48. Okay, now I need to find number of n. Okay, let me try illustrate the same problem with the help of a smaller number. So I have to find out the value of n or the number of integers that exist in this particular range such that n is a multiple of 8 and n is a factor of 48. Okay, similar sort of questions. Now notice one thing. Okay, suppose I take n and suppose n, let me do one thing, let me divide 48 by 8. Okay, so it comes out to be 6. Okay, now 6 can be represented as 2 into 3, and now if I am to find number of factors of 6, then I can write 2 into 2. Okay, because 2 to 1, 3 to 1, so then it comes out to be 4. So 4. Now notice one thing, we know n is a multiple of 8 and a factor of 48, right? So what is the multiple of 8 and factor? One number will be 16. 16 is a multiple of 8 and factor of 48. Another one will be 24. Okay, now see one thing, 8 itself is a multiple of 8 and factor of 48. Yes, 8 satisfied. 16 again multiple of 8 and factor of 48 satisfied. 24 again multiple of 8 and factor of 48 satisfied, and 48 itself factor of 8, multiple of 8 and factor of 48. So only 4 such number exist, which is nothing but same as this particular number. That is, we divide this 48 by 8 and the results we find number of factors. So we will use the similar concept in this question as well. So initially what we will be doing, we will be dividing 2008 to the power 2020 by 2008 to the power 2008. Okay, the result we'll attain is 2008 to the power 12. Okay, we'll attain this. Now number of factors no, okay, let me do one thing. This 2008 to the power 12 can be actually written as, let me just prime factor as 2008, okay, 21004 to 52 to 51, okay, 251 is the prime. So this can be written as 2 cube into 2 to the power 2 into 251 to the power 12, or which can also be written as 2 to the power 36 into 251 to the power 12. So therefore number of factors of 2008 to the power 12 can be written as 37 into 13, or 481, which will be our final answer. Okay, so I hope this question is clear to you, and particularly the concept we have discussed with 8 and 48 in this regards. So simply divide the greater number by smaller, and the result find the number of factors of the same. Okay, so I think that should be plenty in this regards as well. Now, if you have any doubt, just go through the question. That should give you plenty of insights in regards to the approach of the same as well. Okay, I don't think it takes much of an issue in this regards. Now, having said that, if you are looking for detailed solution of the entire paper, please feel free to connect with us, and we'll be more than happy to help you out in all these regards. Having said that, if you like the video, make sure to like, share and subscribe to the channel so we can keep coming up with relevant content such as this further down the line. Having said that, I'd like to sign out, so thank you so much.